The first thing I realized when I come here for this amazing gathering of people, experts from different fields connected to healthcare, is that everybody is willing to share. So my first take on this conference is that everybody is so generously sharing the knowledge that it's really amazing that you have, and I know you very much, and we are colleagues in several projects, that I want to say congratulations to the organizers because you've put something very big together. The second thing is how far the Polish healthcare ecosystem is also willing to go farther in overcoming the barriers that we have at European level in healthcare. And the third thing is that I met here so many colleagues, so this means that you managed also to put together many people from everywhere and create this fantastic atmosphere. So I'm very happy of being here. The message here is that, we are all together with the same challenges. Building an ecosystem means multi-level governance, so we have to be aware of who owns which strategies, so we have to align these strategies, and we have to align these strategies with the European Commission strategies for this new EU Compass. So probably my recommendation or my comment to the Polish life sciences ecosystem is that be aware of the territorial values, the values of the companies and corporations that are here, but also be aligned with the strategies and the challenges that all of us have at European level. So let's collaborate all together to overcome those barriers. So the future looks great in the sense that life sciences, if we take it from the research area, we are overperformers in research. What we have to make sure is that we are able to bring that to the market. This is the conversation that we find in almost every panel. So the future is going to be brighter if we are able to overcome some regulatory barriers, some financial barriers for sure, and we make sure that we have the location, the position that we as European ecosystems deserve in the geopolitical situation that is quite uncertain. So the future of life sciences with the Biotech Act, with the Life Sciences Act, with the pharma package, with all the regulations that are in place, with the EHDS that are in place, is going to look bright if we are all together trying to overcome the regulatory barriers, the financial needs, and the talent challenges that we have as a society. The first thing is advocate. Advocate that the transformation is digital, that there's an AI world that is there for everybody. We have to be more literate, all of us, in AI, because it's already there impacting life sciences. So the first thing is from patients, including all stakeholders in designing this roadmap, but also being aware that the technology is there, that we have to measure the improvements of the technology for the human well-being, but at the same time be very aware of the opportunities it opens. So the message for the attendees here is next things to do is advocate for that, advocate for technology, but also keep in mind that it has to be balanced with the positive impact on people's lives. So I think this is what we have to manage, this balance, and that without collaboration of all stakeholders and patients at the beginning of all, this is not possible. Now we are, the Council of European Bioregions. I represent the Council as a president of the network with almost 50 innovation ecosystems across Europe in life sciences. We identified that we have a big challenge ahead. One is make sure that the voice of our stakeholders from the academia, the patient organizations, the companies, startups, spin-offs, scale-ups are heard in Europe, because the future that Europe is drafting, and when I say Europe, I mean the European Commission and the member states are drafting, has to include the voices of those stakeholders. So from CBER, we have this responsibility and this mandate from our partners. At the same time, we have to make sure that we advocate to our stakeholders about the value of being together in Europe with the European policies and guidelines, because this is what is going to bring us the funding, the collaboration, the programs, the projects for the next period. So from CBER, we have a very important, we represent more than 15,000 players across Europe. So the critical mass of that has to be taken into consideration when designing the policies for the life sciences in Europe. We have many. We are already collaborating, Biocat and Life Sciences in Klaster Life Sciences Kraków. You have this open space platform that life sciences players across Europe can also join. I'm also part of this community, so there's a collaboration area there. We also have several collaborations. We are concerned about precision medicine, but most importantly, we have, I would say, 5 main challenges in life sciences in Europe and in general globally. One is aging, the other is mental health, cancer, health data, rare diseases. We have other antimicrobial resistance. Every single one of those is a collaboration area, but most importantly, in aging, in healthy and active aging, we are also there to collaborate with you because you are very strong there. So happy to be along with you, helping the aging population in Europe to be more healthy, healthier and more active.
What do you think about Kraków?
I love Kraków. It's not my first time. I love walking in the center, listening to the people. You are a quiet, clean, respectful population city, very beautiful. I've been there with the park, full of snow, totally full of snow. I've been here in summer, very, very hot weather. I've been here in different situations and conditions. Every one of those is a lovely place to be. I would recommend that as a place to study to my kids if ever they want to come to this area. I also want to wish you the best of luck for the next second day of this conference. Unfortunately, I'm only going to be today. I will try to connect tomorrow online. I will say that first you give all facilities, all the possible ways to be here collaborating with you. The second thing is that you managed to gather an incredible amount of experts that it's excellent to have been speaking to. I was very honored to moderate these 2 panels because the participants, they gave me back their satisfaction with the moderation, so this is very rewarding for a moderator. I think we brought interesting ideas to light, and my thanks to you is because I'm part of this today, and this is what I bring back home tonight, and we'll continue tomorrow a little bit in the morning with the online session. I hope I've been able to deliver what you expect from me, always available for you.